take the right leg up to tabletop. Maintain that stability. We lower the foot down. We exhale and then tap. Exhale and tap. Exhale and tap. Exhale. 2 more tap. Last one tap. Bring the foot back. Reestablish the pelvis position. Press the right foot down and the left leg comes up to tabletop. And then we lower. We exhale. We tap. We exhale. We tap. And tap. 2 more set. Last set. We hold. Take the foot down, lift the pelvis up, and go ahead and roll the spine back down to the floor. Well done. And turn your body towards me, and we're going to lie on the side. So bottom arm is long, bending the knees. Now have your feet aligned with the spine. You can take the top hand in front of you. I'd like you to lift the waist up so your abdominal muscle is active. Stabilize the pelvis. We're going to go on to our clamp. We open the thigh and then we close. We open 2 and then we close. So we're working our external rotators here. And then out and then down. And then out and then down. 3 more and down. 2. Last. Okay, extend the leg long, bring the bottom knee forward and the heel aligned with the knee. Now I'd like you to really reach the hip away, lift the leg up, the top leg up, relax the foot. Now I want you to lift up, keep the pelvis stable. And 2, down. And 3, so we're working our glute medius and glute minimus here for our hip abductors, abductors. And a lift. And then lift. 3 more times, lift. Last one, lift. We hold. We take the leg forward. Hip flexion. Up, down, and back. We take it forward. Up, down, and back. And 3. Up, and back. And 4. Up, and back. And 5. And 2 more here. And last one here. All right, we take the leg forward, hold that. We're going to lift up a little bit and then we're going to drop it down. And 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift. Back. And done. Well done. Straighten the bottom leg. Take the top leg over. Open the thigh so your top leg is in external rotation. So you push the thigh away, straighten the bottom leg, and then we're going to dorsiflex the foot and then we lift up. So we're working our adductors here. 2,